Good news is here! Mega shoutout to Gegeraweños! Hello Cagayanos! And mabuhay Philippines! Welcome to SM Center to Gegerao Downtown! We are so excited today to Gegeraweños Cagayanos because today is the opening of our store, The Loop. They offer different gadgets na sure ako magugustuhan at pasok sa budget ng mga students and also mga teachers at different working from home. Alam niyo ba to Gegeraweños, Cagayanos, that the Loop Store is the digital playground for different communities? Sa sobrang ganda ng kanilang mga produkto, nag-o-offer sila ng mga gadgets na iOS and also meron din po silang Android. Kaya wala ka nang hahanaping pang iba, lahat mayroon sila.
This charity and to help the less fortunate, so that going to Christ the Redeemer, we may grow in His love. Let us bless the Lord then and pray that He will shower His blessings on all who will work on this place.
What's up, The Loop Group? Pwede mo bang humingi na isang malakas na palakpakan na may kasamang hiyawan? Thank you so much, Father Lipmark. Maraming pong salamat. Naimbaga daw kada kayong amin nakastang umani ka mo ngamin. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning, Loop family. Good morning to each and everyone. Pwede po bang batiin ninyo yung mga kapwa kasama ngayon ng good morning? Everyone, good morning! Maraming salamat po to each one of you. Welcome to the official opening of The Loop here at SM Center to Gegerao Downtown. Ako po si host Renz. I am your host for today and marks the beginning of brand new era for The Loop. Isang malakas na palakpakan! Of course, lahat po ng ating partners and friends, palakpakan din po natin sila, ladies and gentlemen. Lalo kung may mga Gegeraweños na rin po tayong Cagayanos na nakapila na and they are ready to get in and to check out ang ating pong mga gadgets at what we offer here in The Loop. And syempre po, palakpakan po natin the very supportive management and the OG Loop Funds teams and the management. Maraming salamat po. Yung mga nagbiyahe pa, thank you so much to support the opening of The Loop. Truly, we are the Loopers, ladies and gents. At syempre po, salamat po sa mga naging family na din natin na kasama po natin ngayon. We're entering the era that defines its present and gives momentum to its future. But let's take a quick trip down to memory lane first. Starting with our first stores. Naalala niyo ba kung saan yan? Yes, our store in Katipunan, Quezon City, back in 2014. And today, we've grown into something bigger. Dahil po ngayon, we are around 50 location nationwide. Isang malakas sa palakpakan. Congratulations, The Loop. And what makes even more special, it is our very first store here in Cagayan Province. So congratulations, SM Center to Cagayan Downtown. As we move on to the most exciting part of the program, may we call on The Loop Executive to please join me here. First, palapakan po natin our Sales Director, Miss Jeline Costujo. Bawalin po natin and kasama ni Miss Jeline, we have our Regional Lease Head, Miss Catherine Del Pilar. We have also, if I am not mistaken, who traveled at least 8 hours and more just to be here from our Regional Operations Head, Miss Sheila Estabilio. And also, if nandyan pa po si Father, please also join us to our ribbon cutting. Yes, are we guys ready? Loop family, paniligyan po ulit ako ng palakpakan na may kasamang higawan! Lakasan po natin in 3, louder, 2, and 1! Maraming benta! And marami tayong matutulungang Tuguegaroeños, most especially the students and the mga workers na nangangailangan ng digital gadgets para sa kanilang everyday living. Truly, The Loop, live your style. Palakpakan, congratulations to the team, crew, and the management of The Loop. Welcome to Tuguegarao City, most especially to SM Center, Tuguegarao Downtown.